It's not normal to wake up with bad breath. Think about it. It just makes no sense. Why are we waking up with bad breath even though you brush your teeth the night before? I'm not saying you shouldn't brush your teeth in the morning, but that definitely means that you're sleeping and you're breathing through your mouth. To combat that, I've been using this mouth tape. I like this one specifically because it's breathable just in case you need it. And it's made with cotton, which is like the best material you can use. But I recently got these because they're pink. I'm not going to put this all the way on. I don't want to waste it, but the top athletes like UFC fighters, which the president searches the entire world to find the best of the best, they use this religiously. Breathing through your nose also promotes more oxygen going to your brain, which is super important. If you guys want to get yours, these are super cheap right now. For a month's supply, they're about $11.99. Typically, they're way more expensive than that, so I'll leave a link right here if you want to check them out.